Okay, what's Daddy gonna say?
Dad.
Yeah, okay, Dad. Are you like me and you have some rye flour lying around the house that you just have been needing to use? If you're not like me, that's okay, but I had some rye flour and I decided I needed to use it. And so we are making, it is rye spiced ginger cookies. Is that right? Hello, do you have a bunch of rye flour sitting around your house that you don't know what to use for? May I suggest the, what is it, spiced rye ginger? Spiced rye ginger cookies. Evelyn, please. So we're gonna make some spiced rye ginger cookies, which involve a whole bunch of, you guessed it, spices. Here to help me today is Evelyn. Evelyn, are you helping today? Yeah, All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is combine the flour and the spices. We grab the bowl and we need a helper. That's 2 cups. Yeah, oh, very good. Oh, so go ahead. Woo-hoo. We add some black pepper. That's right, black pepper. Oh, no, don't blow. Oh, gosh. Go ahead and put that. Oh, so good. Okay. Then we have allspice. Now the recipe actually calls for cardamom, but we didn't have any of that. We do have a lot of spices, but not everything. So we are using allspice. Allspice is a blend of different spices, as you might imagine. Cardamom, unlike other spices, yeah, go ahead and dump that in. Cardamom, unlike other spices, which come from seeds or leaves or even like cinnamon from bark, cardamom is actually more like a clove, that it is a bud of some sort. But we don't have that, but we did have this, and so we mix the spices and the flour together. Yeah, go ahead and mix it. Mix. Yeah, woohoo! And we set that to the side. Now what else we have over here is an egg pre-cracked in a bowl. We have a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and a 1/4 cup of molasses and also 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Hold it. You put the sugar in. Okay. Not yet. Here. All right. No. All right, once you've got the sugar and oil mixed together well, you can add the egg next. You put the egg in. Woo-hoo! Right here. Lift this. Be so careful with that. And now you guessed it, we will mix the two together. Not yet. Get it in. Okay. Not your hand. Do you like it? You might be in the, Evelyn, no. Okay, that's it. All right, so. Okay. Is that so tasty? Okay, we're not eating that. Alright, so we mix it into a ball of sorts. Alright. No, eat it, no! What we're going to do is, these are basically drop cookies, so, no. Here. Make a ball. Can you make a ball? Here, pat, make a ball. Oh. You got to grab more than that. Here. Put it in. Next we clean up and we get the oven to 325 degrees and we bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. Well, it's okay to sneeze on them. We're going to bake it. And then we'll see kind of how things turn out. All right? Oh, wait. All right, the cookies are done. So this is what the final product looks, varying sizes due to varying degrees of how we handle it. Are you gonna have a cookie? Should we taste one? Okay, yeah, go ahead.